Okay, here is the original Scorpio, but he's very nice, but look at down here, he's very cool. He's cool, but he's very heavy. And Scorpio has a very nice look. And he can move his tail and his hand, his feet. Move his feet. Then he can move his tail. He can move his head. He can move his hands. And he's very cool, but these are the things they shoot right here. They just need them plugged right here, but I don't know how to unplug them like that, but he's very cool and very nice. And my name is Rene Diego Rojas, but I'm part of the Rojas, but I know the Scorpion is very nice. I could stand up like this, but he's very nice. I know that you want him, but sorry. Time to check it out.